What is up, everybody? Fish Hawk here. Hope you guys are having a great day. If you're new here, consider subscribing. I put out new videos every single week. In this video, I'm doing some creek fishing for trout. There's also a bunch of different species in here like smallmouth bass, rock bass, bluegill, all kinds of stuff. I'll take whatever I can get. It's a beautiful day, overcast skies, a little bit of a breeze. Only supposed to get up to about 80 degrees, and the water right now is perfect. It's up a little bit and a little stained. Hopefully I can catch some. Stay tuned. Today I'm using my 6-foot light Fish Hawk rod, Shimano Ultegra 1000 reel, 6-pound test P-line fluorocarbon. Down here on this end I have a 1/8 ounce black rooster tail spinner, and about 12 inches above it I have a barrel swivel to keep line twist out of my line. Oh, little wild brownie. What a surprise. Little wild brownie. First fish of the day. Got him. Let's go. Second fish of the day, pretty little rainbow. There we go. Fish on. Nice rainbow. Yes. Nice rainbow, guys. Very pretty fish. Not sure if I got any underwater footage of that when he was feisty. There's one. What we got? Oh, it is a trout. Oh, little wild brown. Little wild brownie. Beautiful fish. See you, buddy. What the heck? Oh my gosh. What do we got here? Check out this fish I just caught. What a beautiful little fish. See you, buddy. Not sure if that was a wild rainbow or a wild brown, but I was stuck out there on a rock and I jerked my spinner loose and he hit it. There we go. Fish on, baby. Feels like a pretty decent fish. Oh, it's a smallie. Not a bad one at all. Chunky little fella. See you, buddy. It always cracks me up how they act when you release them. There we go. Oh, that's got to be a trout. Yep. Nice one too. Wait, maybe it's not a trout. Nope. It is a nice smallie. Holy moly. Get in the net. Let's freaking go. These smallmouth are so short, but they are thick. Beautiful fish, fought hard. We'll take a smallie like that any day. There we go. Fish on. Another smallie. Another little fatty. Get in here. Yeah. Another little chunker. Fish on. Oh, that's a trout. Yes. Another rainbow, guys. Look at the marks all over him. Not sure what that's from, but he's been in here a while. Oh, nice fish. Oh, it's a smallie. It's a decent one. Oh, nice creek smallie right there, guys. Fought hard. Well, that was a fun catch. Let's see if there's some more in there. There's a fish. Fish on, baby. Oh, I think it's a trout. It is. Yes. Let's go. Found us another trout, guys. Beautiful rainbow. Ah, he's gone. Slipped out of my hands trying to get an underwater release. Oh my gosh, what a smallmouth. Oh, that's the biggest of the day. It's gotta be. Oh, stay on. Come on. Come on. Oh, yes. All right, guys, we're gonna let this beauty go. Beautiful smallmouth, put up a heck of a fight. Well, guys, this has turned into an absolute sleigh fest. Love these type of days. Oh, big smallie. Big smallie. Hit it right at the last second. Stay on. Oh, yes. Biggest of the day, for sure. Holy moly. Dang, what's wrong with his chin? That's a nice smallmouth, guys. It's all skun up right there on his chin. I don't know what's going on. All right, guys, that is going to do it for today. Had a great day of creek fishing, caught some nice trout and some nice smallmouth bass. Can't beat it. All the information for the gear I used will be down in the description. If you guys are new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also give me a thumbs up. It'll really help me out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Fish Hulk out.